The law of attraction is a principle asserting that one's thoughts and beliefs can influence the experiences they attract into their life. It suggests that similar energies are drawn together, meaning positive thoughts can bring positive outcomes, and negative thoughts can attract negative ones. At its core, the law of attraction emphasizes the importance of visualization and intention. By vividly imagining achieving your goals and experiencing the emotions associated with that success, you send out a strong signal to the universe, which then responds by aligning circumstances and opportunities with your desires. While some critique the law of attraction for oversimplifying complex life dynamics and potentially leading to blame in challenging situations, supporters view it as a potent tool for personal development and goal manifestation. They emphasize the need for combining positive thinking with proactive steps and maintaining gratitude. Regardless of one's stance on this concept, fostering a positive mindset, setting clear goals, taking consistent action, and practicing gratitude are universally recognized as beneficial practices for creating a more fulfilling and purposeful life. I welcome you to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks.